the functions f and g are defined by the given equations where x is greater than or equal to 0. Which of the following equations that displays as a constant or coefficient the maximum value of the function it defines where x is greater than or equal to 0? Here we have two functions. The first one is f of x and the second one is g of x. Now we can use the Desmos to solve this problem. Let me take the first function f of x in Desmos. That is f of x equals to 33 times 0.4, and it has to be raised to the power of x positive 3. And for both the functions, I have the same domain, that is x greater than or equal to 0. Now let me take the domain for the first function f of x. Okay, now let's see where we have the graph of the function f of x over here. Okay, here I got the graph. Now let's consider the maximum point we have over here. That is 0, 2.112. And now to get the maximum value of the function f of x, we have to consider the y-coordinate of this maximum point. Because we know that y equals to f of x. Okay, here the y-coordinate is 2.112. So this is the maximum value of the function f of x. Now we have to check whether this value is displayed as a constant or coefficient over here. No, it is not. So the first function f of x does not display its maximum value as a constant or coefficient. We can reject the first one. Okay, now let me take the second function as input. That is g of x equals to 33 times 0.16 and times 0.4. It has to be raised to the power of x negative 2. And for this one also we have the same domain, that is x greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now let's look at the graph here. It keeps going up. We need the maximum value for the function g of x. Okay, here we have the maximum point of the function g of x, that is 0.33. And the same thing, to get the maximum value for the function g of x, we have to consider the y-coordinate, that is 33. 33 is the maximum value of the function g of x, and this 33 is displayed as a coefficient over here. So the second function g of x displays its maximum value 33 as a coefficient. The correct answer choice for this question is B2 only.